I'm going to talk about mechanical engineering in plain sight, especially about the physics of tires and why they have treads. What are tires? Tires can be divided into three functions, which is to carry, guide, and transmit. Is to carry the load of the car, to guide the vehicle on the trajectory, and transmit the braking and acceleration administered by the driver. There are many different types of tires and uses, but in general, if cars do not have treads or the tires or treads or tires in general, it would not properly travel. In general, grooves are designed to improve grip by optimizing the contact between the tire and tread and the road surface. Before we dive into the types of tires, you have to know what tires, what how it works, and how it correlates with friction. Friction is the force that resists the movement of two objects sliding each other. Uh, it is less or equal than the coefficient times the natural force. Friction coefficient varies depending on the two objects that are rubbing against each other. Ice has a low coefficient, whilst asphalt has a high coefficient. There's also this phenomenon called uh, wheel spin or wheel spin, where the car exceeds exceeds too much power that it just slides on the road without moving. It is due to the force having too much power, hence it cannot make contact to the ground. There's also types of tires which has different uses. For example, slicks. The reason slicks are used in racetracks and not in outside uh, environments is because it allows the car to have better surface area and also better traction, which results in better adhesion to the ground. It sticks to the ground fast. It sticks to the ground better and also goes through the tracks better it because it can allow the car to be around the corners faster without the hindrance of treads. But on the other side, off-roads, over tires need the threads so that it can displace the uneven terrain, the dirt, the snow or the ice to grip onto the non-asphalt area so that it can go through the terrain without having many problems. And also it goes for rain tires. Rain tires, it allows the racing car to go through the track with allowing the car to displace rain and other types of things on the rainy tracks without causing a phenomenon called hydroplaning, which is the car not allow the tire not allowing the car to touch the ground due to the rain. There's also general types of problems like polished tire, deflated tire, or punctured tire, which is caused by many things. But in general, the reason why cars have treads is because it allows the car to give friction so it can stick to the ground and also move along the road. Thank you.